keep going. 1, 2, 3, get down, I'm funky. Jump kicks, here we go. Jump, kick, jump, turn around, go funky. Get funky. Jump kicks again, 3 jump kicks. 2, 3, face your partner. Fabulous. Okay, keep moving. From here, you are going to shake hands as if you're going to say hello, or you're going to make a little circle if you're more than 2, and you're going to link elbows, or make a clover leaf. Classic clover leaf. So you're going to shake hands, and then link that elbow. Try that, shake hands, now link elbows. Okay, you're going to do that's called a right arm turn. They're all right up here, Damien. He's sorting them out, right? I hate right.
It's all good, Barry, it's all good.
It's all good. Oh, you're going to boogie round. Great. You're going to do 8 counts for that right arm turn. So go back to where you did your last jump and you face your partner. We're going from there. We're going from you just jumped. You're facing your partner. You're going to do 8 counts to go round right arm. Ready, steady, round you go. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Freeze! Damien, can you come in the middle here? On the way back. See, I even said that.